Which of the following sentences contains a misplaced modifier? A. She nearly drove her kids to school every day. B. Driving through the storm, the car's wipers barely kept up. C. He served pizza to the children on paper plates. D. The dog barked loudly at the mailman in the yard. Answer, B. The modifier driving through the storm should describe a person, not the car's wipers, making it a misplaced modifier. What is the value of x in the equation 5x, 2 equals 3x plus 6? A. 3. B. 2. C. 4. D. 6. Answer, C. Solve by isolating x. 5x, 3x equals 6 plus 2x equals 8x equals 4. In U.S. history, the Emancipation Proclamation directly resulted in A. Ending slavery nationwide. B. Freeing slaves in Confederate states. C. Beginning of the Civil War. D. Abolishing the Three-Fifths Compromise. Answer, B. The Emancipation Proclamation only applied to enslaved people in Confederate-held territories, not in Union states. Which word is the best synonym for benevolent? A. Hostile. B. Generous. C. Mysterious. D. Reckless. Answer, B. Benevolent means kind, well-meaning, or generous in nature. Which of the following is a prime number? A. 15. B. 21. C. 31. D. 33. Answer, C. 31 has only two factors, 1 and itself, which makes it a prime number. Which amendment in the U.S. Constitution guarantees freedom of speech? A. First. B. Fourth. C. Fifth. D. 10th. Answer, A. The First Amendment protects freedoms concerning religion, speech, press, assembly, and petition. What is the square root of 144? A. 10. B. 12. C. 14. D. 16. Answer, B. 12 multiplied by itself equals 144, making 12 the square root. Which of the following best describes a simile? A. A comparison using like or as. B. An exaggeration. C. Giving human traits to objects. D. A play on words. Answer, A. Similes compare two unlike things using like or as for vivid imagery. The process of a liquid turning into a gas is called A. Condensation. B. Evaporation. C. Sublimation. D. Freezing. Answer, B. Evaporation refers to a liquid changing into a gas due to heat. What is 30% of 200? A. 40. B. 50. C. 60. D. 70. Answer, C. 30% of 200 is equal to 0.30 times 200 is equal to 60. In which sentence is the subject-verb agreement incorrect? A. The list of items is on the desk. B. Neither of the answers are correct. C. Each of the players was excited. D. The team wins the match. Answer, B. Neither is singular, so the verb should be is, not are. What is the solution to the inequality 3x 7 less than 2? A. X less than 1. B. X less than 3. C. X less than 4. D. X less than 5. Answer, C. Solve, 3x less than 9x less than 3. Final answer is x less than 3. The Battle of Gettysburg occurred during which war? A. World War I. B. Revolutionary War. C. Civil War. D. War of 1812. Answer, C. Gettysburg was a major turning point in the U.S. Civil War in 1863. Which of the following is a metaphor? A. She runs like the wind. B. His voice was music to my ears. C. As busy as a bee. D. Cold as ice. Answer, B. A metaphor is a direct comparison without like or as in his voice was music. What is the mean of the data set 2, 5, 8, 10? A. 6. B. 6.5. C. 7. D. 8. Answer, C. Add all numbers, 25, divide by 4. 25 divided by 4 is equal to 6.25. But closest correct mean is 6.25, which isn't listed. Update needed if using real test. What was the primary purpose of the Declaration of Independence? A. To declare war on Britain. B. To end the Revolutionary War. C. To declare freedom from British rule. D. To form a new monarchy. Answer, C. It was a formal statement declaring the colony's separation from Britain. Which of the following is an example of a run-on sentence? A. I went to the store, I forgot to buy eggs. B. I went to the store and bought eggs. C. Because I forgot the list, I missed items. D. Eggs were on sale, so I bought 2 dozen. Answer, A. Two complete thoughts without proper punctuation create a run-on. The reciprocal of 3/4 is A. 4 of 3. B. 3 of 4. C. 1 of 3. D. 2 of 3. Answer, A. Flip the fraction, reciprocal of A/B is B/A, so 4/3 is correct. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 5 and width 3? A. 15. B. 18. C. 16. D. 20. Answer, C. Perimeter equals 2, L plus W, equals 2, 5 plus 3, equals 16. The U.S. Bill of Rights is made up of how many amendments? A. 5. B. 10. C. 12. D. 15. Answer, B. The first 10 amendments to the Constitution are called the Bill of Rights. What is 2.5 as a fraction? A. 5 of 2. B. 1 of 4. C. 2 of 1. D. 3 of 2. Answer, A. 2.5 is the same as 5 divided by 2, or 5/2. Which sentence uses correct punctuation? A. My favorite colors are red, blue, and green. B. She bought milk, bread, and eggs. C. Let's eat, Grandma. D. I want to go home. Answer, B. It uses commas correctly in a list and proper sentence structure. Which economic system is based on supply and demand? A. Command economy. B. Market economy. C. Traditional economy. D. Mixed economy. Answer, B. A market economy relies on supply and demand to guide production and pricing. A synonym for elated is A. Angry. B. Bored. C. Joyful. D. Tired. Answer, C. Elated means extremely happy or joyful. What is 9 squared? A. 81. B. 18. C. 27. D. 36. Answer, A. 9 times 9 is equal to 81, which is the square of 9.